What's up, guys? I just want to do a quick review of Team Keto. I love these products. I feel like they definitely make my keto journey so much easier, and my energy levels are increased throughout the day. I have more focus. I love fuel. Fuel is it just boosts your energy, helps you to really stay in ketosis, and it tastes amazing. I love to mix fuel with MCT powder right here and combine these two. And if you get the orange mango flavor, it tastes like a creamsicle, popsicle, or creamsicle ice cream. Super good, so good. And then there is the collagen protein that is really good for post-workout. I love to take like a half scoop, just get in my protein and kind of help build lean muscle. And it's also good for, I've seen noticeable differences in my skin. It's definitely awesome. Highly recommend getting Team Keto products. They're gonna make your keto journey so much easier.